Hello all, and thank you for visiting the channel. We are MZ Automation, a specialized team dedicated to the design, implementation, and integration of communication protocols for embedded systems. The focus of today's video will be an overview of and discussion about the potential consequences of the EU's proposed Industrial Accelerator Act and how this act affects many industries based in the EU, but specifically manufacturing, energy, automotive, and net zero technologies. The Industrial Accelerator Act is a transformative proposal for EU companies. In the past, the EU has provided companies with mostly broad frameworks which suggested avenues for EU companies to stay competitive in a globalized market. However, this act is different in that it is a direct response to rising competition around the world. The goal of the Act is to initiate a bold transition moving EU manufacturing from 14% of GDP to 20% by 2035, thereby growing EU businesses and creating jobs. To achieve this, the Commission is proposing a Made in the EU requirement directly into the law. Under the proposal, new requirements will be implemented for products to be low carbon and/or made in the EU, meaning products need to meet strict union origin thresholds. The requirements of this act include targeting selected sectors including steel, cement, aluminum, automotive, and net zero technologies, and possibly extending to other energy-intensive sectors. It also includes placing restrictions on foreign direct investments of at least 100 million euros by non-EU companies that control more than 40% of global manufacturing capacity in select energy sectors. And finally, including simplifying permit granting procedures for industrial manufacturers and boosting sustainable manufacturing. So what does this mean for your long-term strategy? It means reevaluating your supply chain today could save you time and money avoided from a future compliance mistake. At MZ Automation, we are an established EU partner and have already collaborated with many companies competing in manufacturing and energy industries. We can support a variety of needs, including development and implementation projects, maintenance and troubleshooting, as well as conducting training sessions and workshops. One example of our previous work includes an engagement with a National Association of Electricity and Gas Network Operators. The engagement required developing a proof of concept focused on designing a data model based on version 2 of a real-time interfaces functionalities, implementing and validating IEC 61850 service mapping, and encoding and transmitting with JSON and WebSocket technologies. The proof of concept scope encompassed demonstrating the feasibility of combining the IEC 61850 data model already used in the version 1 interface with modern WebSocket-based communications, as well as addressing core technical feasibility, security, and usability considerations for deploying interface functionality in a scalable, secure, and standardized manner across distributed energy resource environments. Another example with a leading company specialized in manufacturing and distributing building materials required developing and integrating components of a generic substation data hub framework and building software and applications tailored specifically to the client's project needs. In this engagement, MZ Automation provided a robust, scalable, and efficient solution that supported critical features like plugin-based architecture, role-based access, and secure data handling. Thank you very much for watching. For more details on our products and services or to contact us directly, please visit us at our website www.mzautomation.de. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated.